Okay. Okay guys, again Caterham, but this time we're in the 170S. Half the power of the Caterham last time, but also 100 kilograms lighter, which should be a lot of fun. Wow, the nice thing about this, I can bring it out in third gear and still be within the speed limit. The gearing ratio is so short. Also, the chassis is much narrower, much more narrow, and also the grip is less. We have skinnier tires. Yeah, let's bring it out. Woohoo! Oh my god, this feels so fast, even though it isn't. This has the 660cc 3-cylinder turbo engine, as you can hopefully hear those turbo whistles. This time we're gonna go here left. Second gear goes around to 60 kilometers an hour. The brakes are a bit worse than previously in the other Caterham. But this, honestly, the power is enough. This is more than enough. Okay. Oh, nice guy. Another 3-cylinder, if I remember correctly. Okay, here you can feel the rear tires going. The other one, Caterham, it was... Whoa! The other Caterham was almost impossible to drive sideways, and this one, such skinny tires, much easier. But you need to bring out the gears much more, because it's, yeah, 85 horsepower, guys. It's nothing to shout about. Whoa. Okay. Oh my god. Guys, Caterham. If you want to drive a Caterham, go to Kumschick Sportscars. It is an insane experience. Forget all your supercars, forget all high horsepower cars. 85 horsepower is more than enough. And the one you can drive at Kumschick actually has 180 horsepower. So that one I drove before. If you want to check that video out, watch this till the end and then watch the other one. But yeah, that was insane. That was almost a bit too much for my tasting. But I think it starts raining a little bit. Oh no, okay, let's go. We need to give this a drive. But this is a perfect comparison. Honestly, power-wise, 85 horsepower is enough. With these skinny tires. Oh no, it starts raining a little bit. Oh no. Uh-oh. We might have to turn around because we don't want to be in rain in a car like this. Oh no. Can you hear those turbo whistles though? Yeah, but I can feel the grip giving up a little bit. Third gear is so nice here. The brakes are okay, but I think the tires could be a bit better. Whoa. Power braking, no braking, and go! Goodness gracious, this car. The nice thing about this, it's much narrower, it's much more narrow. So it's a bit easier to cross cars. But again, we also have narrower tires. Whoa! So we have a little less grip. But But still, the mechanical grip in this is crazy. In any other car with this skinny tires, could you hear it? The tires were going. Yeah, but I need to be careful with the brakes. This goes sideways much easier than the other Caterham. The other Caterham almost had a bit too much grip. Well, if you can have too much grip, not sure if that's possible, but this one is a bit more fun. Goodness gracious! How is this legal? Well, if you wring this car out, and it's, as you just saw, crossing in this car is much easier. No chance in the other Caterham crossing here. No chance. Oh, the road here is already a bit wet. Oh my god, I almost can't talk anymore. This is so intense. Guys, you need to try this. Whoa, rev matching is almost a bit more difficult in this engine than the other one. The other one was a bit more rev happy, to be honest, but you can see, oh, this is so warm. We have the exhaust right next to us. Insane. Oh, I was indicating the whole time. Goodness gracious. For all the people asking which roads I'm driving right now, check out the Mivia app, follow my page, and then I have all my routes I regularly drive. You can type them in, have the navigation, and be set. Drive the same roads as me. Now you have the answer. Link is in the description, as well as for Kumschick Sportscars. Link in the description if you want to rent a Caterham, have a test drive, take it to the Alps or something, because this is unbelievable experience. Let's go again. The gearing is so short. Oh my god. A lot of the fun here comes from working the gears actually. Full gas, 85 horsepower. I never thought I would say 85 horsepower is enough, but it definitely is with this car. It's so light. Again, 450 kilograms. And the fact that we have so skinny tires makes this so much fun. I don't want more power than this. But back-to-back comparison to the other Caterham, it's difficult. It's difficult to say which one is nicer. The other one was rev happier. And this one, the rev limiter is a bit lower, it's 7,000. But the nicest thing in this car, I think, is the narrow chassis. Look, I can have a lot of fun within my lane. The other car was like, you couldn't do that on your lane. It was a really wide car actually. But half the horsepower is not at all half the fun. I think this one is actually the same amount of fun as the other one. Guys, again, in a Caterham, yellow one, half the horsepower, not at all half the fun. Now, actually, let me see, because I think the exhaust mic... Yeah, as you may have noticed, I didn't have the exhaust mic switched on, because I accidentally had the noise cancellation on for this drive instead of off, and then it sounds like poo-poo. Might actually not be so nice in this car as in the other one. I'm gonna put it at the engine bay in front, so maybe you can hear the turbo whistles. Maybe that's a bit more nice sounding. Let's try that one out. Okay, now the mic is here. I hope that one holds. I'm actually not too sure. Oh, and we will see if this sounds nicer with the turbo whistles. Oh, getting in is always a bit of a... And yeah, sadly I also didn't change that for the ride down, so I'm sorry, I'm gonna get it next time. Oh, or maybe, the turbo whistles are better there. I think I should mount it there. Now I have it mounted here. I hope it doesn't fall off, but we're gonna find out. Okay, let's go. I hope this mic holds on. be a bit nicer actually than the exhaust, because yeah, compared to the other Caterham, this exhaust doesn't sound as nice. The other one was insane. I hope you enjoyed that. Again, if you want to watch that video, link is probably up here or at the end of the video. And everyone smiles at you when they see this car. It's so funny. Even the farmers around here are gonna smile at you. That's not gonna happen in a Ferrari. Goodness gracious, why does everything feel so fast in this car? Whoa, this is windy now! Woo! The storm is coming, I can feel it. I also need to get back home with my Elise. This is a bit more playful than the other Caterham. The other one was more serious, for serious speeds, and this one, yeah, you can chuck it in the corners, have a little slide. The other one I was really struggling to get it sideways. Oh no, it started raining. Oh no. I hope we can get back home safely and not all too wet. Let's go fast. Of course it had to rain. Of course, oh no. Oh no. Also the cyclists are not having it probably. Oh. Woo. It makes it an experience. Downshift, overtake these cyclists. But actually I'm not getting all too wet. The windscreen helps a lot. I would love to test one of those without a windscreen. That sounds a lot of fun. Skinny tires again. I cannot forget that. And the brakes. We've even got drum brakes in the rear. This car is so light. Let's try this in third gear. Yes, yes, okay. And the other Caterham had to take it in second. Okay, hard braking here. Accelerating out of the corners. You really need to get used to these low gear ratios. Oh, tight corner here. Let's hard brake. And here definitely into second gear. The rev limiter when the tires are turning. Oh my god. Hope you can hear it. Let's try this. Oh no, this should have been second gear, not third. But oh well. Oh, it actually has enough power to take you through in third gear as well. Whoa, goodness gracious, guys. I am speechless, bro. I don't know what to say. I can barely talk. Oh, the turbo whistles. Can you hear it? Let's try and play that turbo like an instrument. I must say the turbo sound makes up for the lacking exhaust sound. Oh no, it is raining a lot. Look at those tiny cute little windscreen wipers. Oh no. Yeah, well, the bikers are not having it any better, so I can't complain really. Let's give it a second gear pull. And I'm not even doing the speed limit. This is hilarious. Here you have it, guys. Kumschick Sportscars. Check them out. Link in the description below. Hope you enjoyed the video, and I'm gonna see you in the next one. Peace.